I remember when I first got started with social media and posting, I was always confused about what exactly should I write on social media, like what post will do better. And I'll tell you, it all comes down to research. Before we get into it right now, make sure you go by Funnel Hacker Pro. That's my private Facebook group. And make sure that you come down here to the comment section. And you can work with me one-on-one if you want to, just see if you qualify. I have a couple of lead magnets down here. And the one I want you to see is my private swipe file of templates, winning ads, and marketing campaigns. I have email templates in there. I've got some winning campaigns that you can look at the marketing materials, look at the sales letters, so you can start learning how to do copywriting on your own. Let's go. Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Click the bell button to get notified when I upload these videos. I'm on one a day right now. And make sure you click the thumbs up. If you don't like it, you can always take it back when you go. Now, in talking about copywriting for social media, I totally thunk that whole thing. It was just too much of a thought process. And sometimes you just got to stop overthinking the whole thing and just get to it. And the number one thing, I say this in all of my videos, and I'm not going to stop, I'm going to continue to say this, is research. Research is key to everything in business. Russell Brunson talks about business models, like copying somebody else's business models and stealing their landing pages. And what I noticed was that applies to everything in business. So it's really important that you talk about research here. So what I did here is continue with our bookkeeping theme, our beekeeping theme. I just ran searches for the best beekeeping posts that have already been liked on Facebook. And you can see here that they're newsy. So out of work Appalachian coal miners train as beekeepers to earn extra cash. Case study, or attention, coal miners, or whoever you want to call out. Check this out, guys, and make it more newsy and editorial. And if you see here, Paris bees at work from Notre Dame to Luxembourg Garden, you can actually take these and turn these into your own post if you want to, but don't be scared to share these. But you can also adopt, if you have your own story, you can adopt how this does, right? So back here it says family has been living in their wall. Family has bees living in their walls. Instead of killing them, they learning beekeeping, which is nice, right? So now that's a Canadian post there. But if you can see, what I want you to notice is that all this is newsy. So if you had your own case study for whatever you have going on, just look at how these are all editorial. So now you can get inspiration on how you should be posting. The next thing I'm going to show you is on Reddit. Now, Reddit is really important, both of these. Now, that was BuzzSumo. BuzzSumo is one of the best places to go look for content like that and find out either articles you can share or articles that you can rewrite and put your own spin on them. I'm not going to make this a long video because it's really easy to see what to post once you do your homework. Reddit, now this BuzzSumo costs money, but if you don't have any cash to pay monthly for BuzzSumo, because it is expensive, Reddit is the perfect place. And you'll see again, the top voted stuff is all newsy, right? So if you look here, my parents dropped by today. They recently took up beekeeping. Boom. 12,000 likes on that, or upvotes on that. Urban beekeeping program resulted in amazing change in a homeless man. Awesome stuff right there. But if you see, that is totally editorial. It's like when you're sharing on social media, it needs to look newsy. This is how you're going to beat out everybody else saying, hey, buy my stuff, versus a case study or an advertorial or a blog post. You can always take what these people are talking about and fashion it into a story, and make it like an advertorial on your own. And I'll talk about how to build advertorials later on in another video coming up week. But what I wanted to show you was how everything is newsy. Again, I'm not going to make this a long video. I wanted this video to be very short. Now, once you send out, and we're talking about our normal funnel, how we're going to do this, all we're trying to do is gain attention. We want post engagement first. We want people to get engaged. We want them to click. We want them to look at the video. We want them to read our post or whatever. These are the posts that are going to get the most attention. Posts that have already proven to do well on social media. I highly suggest that you pick this up, because when I first started, I was just posting willy-nilly, what I thought people would like. But that's not what you want to do. You want to have a proven method of people that have already shown, they've already shown you how this will work, right? Tonight we fished urban rooftop beekeeping finally paid off. Boom. I love that headline, right? That's a really nice headline. So now you can change that headline to fit what you need to do, or a case study, or check this out, or whatever, right? So do you like beekeeping? Check out this family that did urban rooftop beekeeping. Finally paid off for them, or whatever. Urban rooftop beekeepers say it finally paid off. Tonight they feasted. Check this out, case study. Whatever you want to do, and you can rewrite it for yourself. You have to put in work. But my point here is just being. See, when Grandpa is a beekeeper, right? This is really cool that you can look through this stuff and see what's working, and it's all like newsy editorial articles, and they look like they're being shared. So what you want to do is camouflage your articles, your editorials, your camouflaged, your advertisement is with a bunch of salad dressing over it, a bunch of ketchup over it. You want to camouflage it so it doesn't look like an advertisement. You really want this to be a sneaky thing. And that's how you write for social media. There's no trick to it. I know you wanted this video to be longer, but it doesn't need to be. If you like this video, click the thumbs up, man. Share this video if you know someone else that needs this information. Make sure that you subscribe if you haven't done so, and click that bell button so you can get notified of when I start posting up videos. It's an everyday thing right now, and I'm posting up these videos, man. So you get started right now. No excuses, no explanations. Let's go get it done.